Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So do you ever wonder how you could share a YouTube video without having all of these random videos on the side or ads showing up on your video? I'm going to show you how. So right up in the URL, once you have your YouTube video selected, you are going to click right here after watch. You're going to type in underscore and then type in pop-up. Then you're going to copy and paste this link. So I'm going to click on it, press Control-C to copy, and then you're going to paste that into your Google Classroom or email, wherever you're sharing the link. And when the students paste it in or click on that link, it'll take them to just your YouTube video. So that is all they will see. No pop-ups, no advertisements. Pretty cool, huh? Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with another YouTube hack for you. So let's say you want to show your students a clip from a movie or, a clip from some YouTube tutorial that you saw, and there's a certain part of it that you want to get to. Instead of having your students scroll to it, you could set it so when your students click on the link, it'll take you directly to the part you want them to watch. So right here, I have one of our hit singles, Bulldog Delight. And let's say you want to skip through my not so exceptional singing and go right to the professional Mr. Wald. What you're going to do up here in the URL, okay, you are going to click right here at the end, and you are going to type in the ampersand key. Yes, that is what that is called. The letter T, and then an equal sign. And then you're going to type in the minute and second you want to skip ahead to in the video. So Mr. Wald starts at 1 minute, so you're going to type in 1M and then 01S, okay? Then what you're going to do is click on this link and copy and paste it into your Google Classroom or email, wherever you're sending it out to your students, okay? And then when I click here, I'm going to go to it, you're going to see it's going to skip over me completely and go directly to Mr. Wald. Pretty cool, right? Hey Bulldogs, and here are some keyboard shortcuts to help you navigate YouTube. So when you're playing the video, if you press the space bar, it'll either pause the video, I press it again, it'll play the video. And if I press M, it mutes the video, press it again, it'll unmute the video. To change the volume, you press the arrow up key or arrow down key. To skip ahead 5 seconds, you press the arrow pointing to the right. And then to go back 5 seconds, the arrow to the left. And then if you press the numbers 1 through 9, it'll jump to 10 to 90% of the video mark. So if I press 5, it'll bring me halfway through the video. 9, it brings me to the 90th percent mark of the video. If I press 0, it brings you back to the beginning. And there's a few more that I'm going to share with you here in the document. Have a great night, Bulldogs, and tune in next Tuesday.